What if you could build credit without a credit check at all? Most people assume approval always depends on your past, but the secured Sable One credit card is built for people starting fresh. Let's explain how it works. The Sable One is a secured credit card, meaning you provide a refundable deposit. That becomes your credit limit. Deposit $500 and your limit is $500. This structure removes risk for the issuer and opens the door for people with no credit or damaged credit. Here's the surprising truth. Sable does not require a credit check to apply. Approval is based on your deposit, not your credit history. That alone makes it appealing to newcomers, immigrants, students, and anyone rebuilding from scratch. The card reports to major credit bureaus, which is critical. Every on-time payment helps establish a positive payment history. Over time, responsible use can significantly improve your credit score. Another standout feature is cash back on select purchases, often tied to subscription services and everyday spending. Most secured cards offer no rewards at all, so this adds extra value. There's no annual fee, which keeps costs predictable. However, interest rates are high, so carrying a balance is not advised. Most people get this wrong and think secured cards are temporary. The surprising truth is that using one well can unlock unsecured cards faster than you expect. The biggest limitation is flexibility. Your spending power is tied directly to your deposit, and there are no premium perks. So who is this card best for? People with no credit history or those who want a clean, controlled way to rebuild without approval anxiety. If you use it correctly, this card can be a powerful first step. If this review helped you understand secured cards better, subscribe for more clear and practical credit building advice. Your credit story can always start fresh.